Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's tap on Version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. After activating it, your device will ask you to enter the screen lock to confirm everything, so that's all right. Simply enter it, and now we can go back to the general list of the settings. Here we have to enter the system and scroll down to find developer options. And now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates. In my case, this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher to apply the option. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. And of course, be aware that your device will apply the updates if the updates are available. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.